And yes, I'm wearing the same clothes because we've done a few recordings on the same day. You might be able to hear me a bit better on this one. We've now stumbled on Golitha Falls. It's meant to be a really nice nature reserve. So come along with us. Wow. Just walking back to the car now. As you can see, I've took my sweatshirt off. We're in the woods and it got really hot, so there they are, lagging behind. Mike's absolutely loved it. Little adventure. I've had to switch to my phone, so I do apologise if it's a bit shaky. Typical me, I forgot my spare battery for me action cam in the back of the car. But anyway, we're almost at the car now. Just a couple of things to be aware of. Although it is a reasonable size car park, as you can see, there's cones everywhere. So I'd be very wary of parking your car anywhere along here, because you're bound to get it clamped, ticketed, or even towed away. The other thing to note as well, there is a toilet block, but obviously with COVID-19 they're actually closed at the moment. There is a little cafe over there called Inky's. So we got here and it had already closed, otherwise we would have had a little coffee or something. So you can actually have tea and coffee and something to eat there, which is handy after a long walk. So depending on what time of day you come, if you're in a motorhome or camper van, please be aware there's no overnight parking. So like I say, it's a decent sized car park with the cafe, but there's no overnight parking, and I'd be very, very wary of parking on that road with all these cones. So there you go, that was Golitha Falls, and a lovely nature reserve. Remember, there's a little cafe behind me, decent sized car park, so if you come like us later on in the day, you're guaranteed a place to park, and it's a lovely, lovely walk, and I highly recommend it. I'll post up some links in the description on Google Maps, exactly where to find it. I'm not too sure which side of Bodmin it is. I think it's on the east side of Bodmin Moor. But like I say, I'll post a Google link in the description. Hope you enjoyed this little video of our little day out. So if you did, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hit the little bell icon to be notified of our future uploads. And we'll see you next time. Ta-ra.